Right people, I've been a little busy since I last saw you, and I'm using rivets for the most part. See if I can get that in shadow so you can see. The reason I'm using rivets is because it's safer if kids want to help Dad build one of these, or a man. So that's the chassis. Now I've got two cross members in. I've got this one, which is the one that is 26 inches from the inside edge here. I can find my end. There it is. But I should be using 24-inch wheels. And then I put a central brace, not quite a central brace. There's another two braces to go in here because that's where the seating area is going to be. And then there'll be another 28-inch brace going across here for the front wheel compartments, if you like. There's the wheel that I've been using off the trike as a measurement, but it's definitely going on. Another thing, I measured up yesterday and it can fit this alley, so I should be able to build it completely and then push it through the alley, build a ramp to go over the wall and onto the road, which won't be too much of a hardship. So it's coming on quite well. I'm pleased with it anyway. And also by being able to build the whole thing in one go in the garden means I don't have to worry. I've got to go round to the garage and you know, have it in there as a rolling stock. I build stuff here and carry it over to the garage. Means I can do it all here, which is great. But unfortunately with this weather that we've been having, yes, it's nice and sunny, I just wish there was a bit of a breeze with it. There is on odd occasions, but not enough. So I can only spend 10 minutes out here, then I got to have an hour inside, then come out for another 10 minutes, an hour inside. So I don't get a lot done. But how I'm fixing these are with steel brackets. But as you can see, I put the long piece of the bracket in the onto the short piece brace part, and the short part of the bracket on the long part. Right people, this is a sort of unboxing. I've had this box for a couple of years. Oops. So let's get into it. wheel shock absorbers. I have not got a clue off what, I can't remember, but they're the right size for what I want to do at the front. They say Ace shock, 60mm linear action, and the idea is that they will sit, you know, a little bit further over, I think. No, maybe not, just about there. And then the steering rack will sit here, and then they will be able to turn. I'll show you the other one. You stay in there. Thank you. And there they are, people. How much did they cost me? They were £9 the pair on auction. And I think the delivery was about £3-4, something like that. This is fantastic.